Orfit asked 3 radiation therapists to share some tips and tricks for others who are getting started with the AIO Solution. Here's what they had to say.
A tip and trick that I would definitely like to pass along, because we kind of found out the hard way, was that sometimes, like if you're treating in the abdomen, so like think, upper L spine or liver or something just in the center, to index it a little bit higher on the table just to make sure that you have clearance with your lung. Because of just the handles with the Orfit system, it pushes the patient down just a little bit. And so sometimes we can't get into the table far enough with the long. I mean, it's super easy. You just index it up one little notch on the table and you're fine and you're clear. You don't hit anything. But that's definitely a tip and trick that I would say to keep in mind when you're treating your patient.
And if we can get a level, we try to level them beforehand too, before putting the body plast on. Just kind of patient dependent on how well they hold still in the time frame of getting them straightened and leveled and then putting the body plast on. Some of them still want to kind of wiggle when you get the body plast on. It really, really minimizes our shifts and looks really good.
We weren't aware for the longest time that we could bill for the board. And that was also a game changer for us. When we first got it, we had recipe cards and we made it way worse than it had to be. But now all of our sister sites don't have the board, and we're now talking them into the board. We just say, just give it 3 months and you're going to love it.